Hey, today we're going to do something totally different on GearTube TV. We're going to do an assembly and first impression of a lawn accessory. I know, totally different from what we normally do. But anyway, we bought this poly lawn roller. It is the Agri-Fab brand from Lowe's. It's an 18 by 48 lawn roller, and the price, I have my receipt here. Because I have a Lowe's card, I get a 5% discount. So the actual price, hopefully this focuses. If not, try to get it here. 48-inch poly roller, $217.55. The sticker price is $229. And again, I get a discount, so I paid $217.55 plus $13.05 Pennsylvania sales tax. I paid $230.60. So really, I paid $1.60 more than sticker price because of tax. So first impression of the unboxing, like most boxing, it's cardboard with staples, and this is actually the bottom of the box because it was falling apart. Now I realize that there's not much can be done about that. That's what happens with most things when they get shipped and moved around, so it's really no big deal. I'm not too worried about the packaging. Otherwise, this piece here was in the side over here, and it was used right here, camera's all over the place, to center the pin on the roller, hold it in place, as you can see over here. So that's used to center the pin on the roller. The main bars are underneath the roller. It's got your hardware kit, your worthless instructions, because it doesn't tell you anything about actual assembly other than that diagram, which doesn't really explain much. And on the inside, it tells you how to use it in a whole bunch of different languages. So they actually want you to go to YouTube to view the video instruction guide for assembly tips. I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to assemble it, and it'll be what it'll be. So let's get started. I'll get the tripod, we'll put it together, and we'll get another impression here once it's all assembled. Because it's plastic, it's not heavy at all. It's bulky, but not heavy. First spacer, and the plastic, and then this piece. That's how I understand it. And then it's a matter of, we got long bolts and short bolts. So really it's just a matter of getting this piece over the bushing, which isn't terribly difficult, but it's meant to be tight, and it'll be tight. Might have to give a, there we go. We'll do the same thing on this side. This is our plug to fill it. Whew. Got a vacuum seal to it. Alrighty. 2 washers. Plastic bushing. There it goes. A couple little taps. All right. Next up would be the support bar, which is this piece in the middle, like that. And from the looks of the diagram, this gets the shortest bolts. And it's got nylock nuts. Alright, these nuts and bolts are 1/2 inch. So we'll tighten them down here. I don't know which way. Looks like it goes this way. Alright. So I gotta back these off a little bit. Aha, there we go. That makes more sense. And then this is the pin. Yeah. Okay. So this is what we're looking at here. Now I gotta tighten this up before I tighten these up, so. Make sure these are good and tight. They feel good. Now we'll tighten up these till they're good and tight. And this one. Okay. Not bad. It's pretty sturdy. I'll snug up these support rods across the support bar across the middle. Okay, there's that one. All right, assembly is complete. This is where you fill it with water, and it says max weight with water. This one goes to 550 pounds. So this should put 550 pounds to the ground and hopefully even out some of my high spots after we get a good soaking rain here. Now the yard is pretty uneven to begin with. When we moved, I drove through it. When I cut brush, I drive through it. And then you get frost heaving in Pennsylvania where your ground freezes and it pushes up. So once we get a good soaking rain, temperature today is about 50. I might try it today, but probably not. I think I'm gonna wait till it rains, and then we'll do an actual review on how well it does. So for right now, we'll call it a done deal. Again, this is the Agri-Fab 48-inch lawn roller, 550 pound weight.